Okay student, today is the continuation of last week's video. Exercise number it is 2.4, some of the remaining it is model, and come to this question number 2. If it is z equal to x plus it is iy, find the following, it is rectangular form. The first one it is real of 1 by z. So now come to it is real of it is 1 by z, first one. First we want to find out as it is what is the expression of it is 1 by z. Take it is within the bracket 1 by z, that is equal to 1 by z equal to x plus it is iy. To remove it is the I value in the denominator, we know what is doing, what we want to do, taking it is a conjugate of denominator, multiply and divided by. So what is the conjugate denominator? X plus iy is a number, conjugate is called x minus iy. Therefore x minus it is iy by it is x minus iy. Take conjugate denominator, multiply and divided by. Now that is equal to a plus b, a minus b, right? A square minus b square form. A is called x, it is whole square, minus ib is called it is y, it is whole square, and x minus iy, it is called numerator. Now that is equal to x square, and square the term it is I square value equal to minus 1, minus plus it is 1, plus it is y square, denominator. The numerator x minus it is I, it is y, the value of 1 by z. In this expression, just we ought to splitting of it is a real term and imaginary term. Split what is it? X is called real term, x by it is x square plus it is y square, then plus it is minus I, minus it is I into minus it is y by it is x square plus it is y square. So it is fully it is real term, and this fully it is called it is imaginary term. In the last simplification, just we want to collecting of it is real of this expression, real of the expression. So real of the expression is called what? The real of it is 1 by z, that is equal to this called real term, it is x by it is x square plus it is y square. Therefore it is real of 1 by z, that is equal to x square plus it is y square. And similarly we find out as another sum, and second one is same method, and come to third one. Just consider within the bracket term. What is within the bracket? 3z minus plus it is 4z bar minus it is 4i. First simplify this expression as it is standard rectangular form. So that is equal to 3 into x equal to z equal to x plus it is I, it is y, plus 4 into z equal to x plus it is I, it is y whole bar minus it is 4i. And that is equal to just multiply 3x plus it is 3i, it is y, plus it is 4 into, and remove it is bar, we can take conjugate of this common number. So remove the bar, replace it is plus I as a minus I. Therefore it is x minus I y, and minus it is 4i. And just multiply again, that is equal to 3x plus it is 3i, it is y, plus it is 4, it is x, minus 4i, it is y, minus it is 4i. This final simplification. In the simplification, just it is collecting of real term, and these two are it is real terms, that is equal to 3 plus 4 equal to 7, it is x. Then plus it is imaginary term, it is imaginary, it is also imaginary. All the it is term, we have I is common term, we can take I is commonly. Remaining it is what? It is 3y minus it is 4y minus it is 4, and that is equal to it is 7x plus it is I into, simplify the value, it is minus it is y minus it is 4. So it is a final simplification of 3z plus it is 4z bar minus it is 4i, final simplification in the form of standard form, rectangular form, it is a real term and imaginary term. Now what we want to find out as it is imaginary of 3z plus it is 4z bar minus it is 4i. So in the last it is in the simplification, we have to collecting of it is imaginary part only. What is imaginary part? And which is along with it is I, that is called imaginary. Therefore minus it is y minus 4 is called imaginary of it is 3z plus 4z bar minus it is 4i. Okay, move to the next one. Question number 3. If z1 equal to 2 minus I and z2 equal to minus 4 plus it is 3i, find the inverse of z1 into z2 and inverse of it is z1 by it is z2, 2 value. So, now first we have to find it is z1 inverse of it is z1 into z2. First we want to find it is a complex number z1 and z2. Just multiply z1 z2 is equal to z1 equal to 2 minus it is I, z2 equal to minus 4 plus it is 3i. Just multiply ordinary multiplication. What is how to do? Multiply ordinary multiplication. It is minus it is 8, then it is plus it is 6 it is I, then it is minus plus it is 4 it is I, then it is plus into minus it is 3 it is I square. We know it is I square value equal to minus 1, that is equal to minus 8, and adding this two term it is plus 6 plus 4 plus it is 10 it is I, and minus into minus become plus it is 3, because I square value equal to minus 1 into minus 3 plus it is 3, and just it is adding a term that is equal to separating a value minus 5 plus it is 10i. It is value of what? z1 into z2. It is standard form, that is rectangular form. Now we want to find out the inverse of it is z1 into z2. That means what? A complex number is called z is a complex number and its inverse is called 1 by z. A number complex number defined by z, the inverse equal to 1 by z. It is called inverse element. Therefore, a complex number is called z1 into z2 and inverse is what? 1 by z1 into z2. That is equal to 1 by, we obtain the value of it is z1 z2 equal to what? Minus 5 plus it is 10i. Replace here minus 5 plus it is 10 it is I. So, we want to remove it is the I term in the denominator, we want to take as a conjugate. Therefore, what is the conjugate of denominator? Minus 5 minus it is 10 it is I by minus 5 minus it is 10 it is I. That is equal to, again it is a plus b, a minus b, right as minus 5 it is whole square, minus it is 10 it is I, it is whole square. And then simplify, minus it is 5 minus it is 10i as it is the numerator. And that is equal to, okay, next line, just simplify it is what? Minus 5 minus it is 10 it is I by, and square the term equal to 5 5s are it is 25 plus it is and minus 10 square is called 100 and I square value equal to minus 1, minus 1 into minus it is plus it is 100 it is value, and that is equal to minus 5 minus it is 10 it is I by it is 125. Separating of denominator, minus 5 by it is 125 minus it is I into 10 by it is 125, and that is equal to minus it is 1 by it is 2 it is 25 minus it is I into 1 by it is cancel it is 2 time, cancel it is 2 it is 5 and 2 by it is 25, 2 by it is 25. Therefore, it is final, it is simplification of this one, and the inverse of it is z1 and z2 equal to minus it is 1 by 25 minus I into 2 by it is 25 is called, it is inverse of it is z1 into z2. Okay, move to the next question number 4. The complex numbers u, v and it is w are related by it is 1 by u, that is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by w. So, 3 it is complex numbers are it is given, it is u, v, w, and u and w, v and w the complex numbers are given, we want to find out as it is u. So, make use of this equation, it is 1 by u that is equal to 1 by v plus it is 1 by it is w, and make use of this it is equation, find the value of it is u, and that is equal to 1 by v we know it is equal to 3 minus it is 4 it is I plus 1 by w we know that is equal to 4 plus it is 3 it is I. Just simplify this expression. So, what we have to do? Taking off it is conjugate denominator to simplify the first term and similarly the second term, and that is equal to 1 by 3 minus it is 4i multiply with it is 3 plus it is 4 it is I by 3 plus it is 4i, taking off conjugate, plus similarly second term 1 by 4 plus it is 3i, taking off conjugate, it is 4 minus it is 3 it is I by 4 minus it is 3 it is I. Now, applying of same property the a square minus b square form, that is equal to the numerator it is 3 plus it is 4i as it is, Now a minus b, a plus b, write as a is called 3, it is whole square, minus b is called 4i, 4 it is I, it is whole square, first term. Then plus the second term, numerator is called 4 minus 3i as it is by, here it is a is called it is 4, it is whole square, minus b is called it is 3i, it is whole square. Now just simplify. What is that? 3 plus it is 4i as it is, and 3 square is called 9, minus I square value equal to minus 1, minus into minus it is plus, and 4 square is called it is 16, plus 4 minus 3i as it is by, and 4 square is called 16, minus, again it is I square value equal to minus, minus into minus it is plus, 3 square is called 9, and that is equal to 3 plus it is 4 it is I, by it is 25, plus it is 4 minus it is 3i, by it is 25, both are it is same denominator, take a common denominator, is called it is 25, therefore 3 plus it is 4i, plus it is 4, minus it is 3i. Now simplify the equation, just adding of real term that is equal to 7, 3 plus it is 4, and separating off it is imaginary term, it is 4 minus 3, therefore minus plus it is I, by it is 20, it is 5. And that is called what? Left hand side equation, we have it is 1 by y, 1 by it is u, that is called left hand side equation. Now again we want to find out as value of it is u, taking reciprocal of this last expression. What is reciprocal? U that is equal to 25 by it is 7 plus it is I. 1 by e equal to 7 plus I by 25, it is called 1 by u. Take reciprocal, u is equal to 25 by it is 7 plus I. Again we have the expression in the I form, the denominator we want to take as a conjugate of the denominator. Therefore 7 minus I by it is 7 minus I, that is equal to again a plus b, a minus b form, a is called 7, 7 it is whole square, minus I is called it is b, it is I, it is whole square, then it is just multiply, it is 25 within the bracket 7 minus I as it is, keep as it is, that is equal to just 25 within the bracket of 7 minus I by it is 7 square is called 49, and minus I square value equal to minus 1, minus minus plus it is 1, that is equal to 25 into 7 minus I by it is, add the value, it is 50. Now cancel, simply it is 2 times, that is equal to 7 minus I by it is 2. Now final answer is what? 7 by 2 minus it is I into 1 by 2. It is called it is real, and it is called it is imaginary. Therefore it is real term equal to 7 by 2 minus it is 1 by 2 is called imaginary, it is called it is rectangular form. Okay, come to next. Question number it is 6. Fifth one is one of the properties of it is the conjugate of it complex number. The property number it is 5, 6, 7, 8. This is regarding it is answers. In the already we discussed in the previous video about it is fifth question. Now we move to the next question is called sixth one. Sixth one, find the least value of positive integer n for which it is root 3 plus it is I whole power n. It is real and imaginary. So for this expression, we want to find the expression is it is real. What is the value of it is n? For this expression, the expression purely it is purely imaginary. What value of it is n? It is purely imaginary. The two value we want to find. Now first of all, find out as it is expression. So consider it is a number z that is equal to root 3 plus it is I whole power it is n. Understand? Now we want to multiply and divide by it is 2. 2 by it is 2 within the bracket root 3 plus it is I whole power it is n. Now get a, it is inside the bracket, it is a multiply, and in the 1 by 2 multiply inside the bracket 2 into root 3 by it is 2 plus it is I into 1 by 2, then whole power it is n. Just multiply inside the bracket 1 by it is 2 and keep it is numerator 2 as it is. Now this it is term, it is converted in the form of it is sin, it is cos. Now sin it is 30 degree, that is equal to sin it is pi by it is 6 cos it is 30 degree, that is equal to 1 by 2. Then cos it is 30 degree, that is equal to cos it is pi by it is 6, that is equal to root 3 by 2. So in the place of root 3 by 2, we want to replace it is cos 30, that means cos it is pi by 6. In the place of it is 1 by 2, we replace as a sin 30, that is called sin, it is 6 by 2 in this place. Now just replace 2 into the root 3 by 2, we can write what? It is cos. Cos it is pi by it is 6 plus I into 1 by 2, we can write what? Sin. Sin it is pi by it is 6, then whole power it is n is remaining. Now just it is bring this, it is power inside the bracket a into b whole power n form. That is equal to 2 power it is n into 2 power n into it is cos it is pi by 6 plus I into sin it is pi by it is 6 whole power it is n. This is the last simplification. Now applying of it is the theorem of d mu s. The d mu s it is a theorem to multiply the power to it is argument of it is the sin and cos. That is sin theta, cos theta. Theta is called angle. The power is multiplied to argument. That is called it is theta. So now just it is power, it is multiplied to this, it is argument, it is pi by 6. That is equal to 2 power n into it is cos it is n pi by it is 6 plus I into sin it is n pi by 6. By applying of this it is property that we detailedly discuss about. It is next, it is 1 and just it is applying of it is formula only. So just bring the power multiply it to it is inside and multiply to the argument, that is called it is argument, that is simply we can say cos theta sin theta, multiply it is n with the theta only, and this called it is what? Our it is capital it is n, capital N, that is capital Z equal to 2 power n into cos n pi by 6 plus I into sin n pi by 6 is called Z value. Now we want to find out Z bar also, that is equal to what? 2 power it is n into cos it is n pi by it is 6. If you taking off it is complex number is called this one. If you take it as conjugate of complex number, what we want to do? We can write plus I as a minus I. Therefore minus it is I into sin it is n it is pi by it is 6. Therefore we know it is Z is this term and Z bar equal to this one. Now what is the first property? First one, the Z is it is real. Z is real. If and only if, what is the condition? Already we know property number it is 8, applying a property Z is real, that is equal to Z, that is equal to Z bar. Z equal to Z bar, then if and only if Z is called real. If Z is real and that implies it is Z equal to Z bar. So now Z is given what? Z is a real, therefore Z equal to Z bar. Now replace Z and Z bar in this equation. That is it. Z that is equal to Z bar. What is the left hand side equation? It is a Z. Replace this term. It is 2 power it is n into it is cos it is n pi by it is 6 and plus it is I into sin it is n it is pi by it is 6. It is left hand side Z. That is equal to Z bar. Z bar equal to this term. It is 2 power it is n into it is cos it is n pi by 6 minus it is I into sin it is n pi by it is 6. Now what is it? These two terms, just transfer these two terms or it is cancel. If you remove the bracket, it is what? It is a plus term, it is also plus term, both are it is cancel. If you minus term, transfer this right hand side equation, it is plus 1 term, it is plus 1 term, it is obtained 2 terms. Therefore 2 times of 5 into sin it is n pi by it is 6, that is obtained, that is equal to 0. Are you understand? See once again. And 2 power n, if you transfer it is 2 power n, it is 2 power it is n, both are it is cancel. And remove the bracket and what is the remaining term? This term it is positive, it is also positive. If you transfer this any one side, that is also cancel. And remaining in the left hand side, I into sin power n theta n pi by 6. Here minus it is I into sin power sin n pi by 6. If you transfer to right hand side equation, 1 plus 1 that is equal to 2 times. Therefore 2 times of it is 2 times of I into sin power sin it is n pi by 6, that is equal to 0. Now just again it is transfer, it is I to right hand side equation. Therefore it is sin it is n pi by 6, that is equal to 0. Now it is what value of it is theta, the sin will become 0. Sin 0 equal to 0, sin pi equal to 0, sin 2 pi equal to 0, etc. Where we have it is pi value, in all the place are sin become it is 0 only. See here, 0, sin 0 equal to 0. If I put a sin pi also 0 and sin it is 2 pi sin it is 3 pi, sin 0 equal to 0, sin it is 90 degree, it is called it is 90 degree, 90 degree obtained sin 90 equal to 1, and again it is sin it is pi equal to 0, then it is sin it is 2 pi equal to 0, sin it is 3 pi equal to 0, it's keep going then, and it is where we have it is sin, where we have it is sin pi multi product of it is pi, all the places are sin value equal to 0, sin value equal to 0. Now therefore, we can take it is one of it is 0 value is called, take it is sin pi, sin it is pi equal to 0. Therefore, in the place of 0, we replace it is sin it is pi. Understand? Therefore, it is sin it is n pi by it is 6. Now sin are cancel, n pi by 6 that is equal to pi. We want to find what? N positive number. Just accept n, remaining transfer to right hand side equation, n that is equal to pi into 6 by it is pi. Both pi's are cancelled, n equal to 6. Therefore, it is n, if n equal to 6, the given it is complex number, root of it is 3 plus I, whole power it is 6 only, we obtain it is purely it is real. Understand? Okay. The second part, ZS it is imaginary. If Z is imaginary, what is the condition? If and only if Z equal to minus Z bar. If it is Z equal to minus Z bar, the Z it is imaginary. If Z is imaginary, if and only if Z equal to minus Z bar. Now it is given it is what? Imaginary. Therefore, this it is true property satisfied. Therefore, we can take Z that is equal to minus Z bar. What is that? Again the same, it is 2 power it is n into it is cos n it is pi by 6 plus I into sin it is n it is pi by 6, it is called it is Z that is equal to minus within the bracket Z bar equal to this term, it is 2 power it is n into it is cos it is n it is pi by 6 plus minus I into sin it is n it is pi by 6 Z bar. Now just it is multiply the minus inside the bracket. And what is it? This term, this 2n and 2n again it is cancelled. Therefore, minus multiply minus into cos it is n pi by it is 6 minus plus it is I into sin it is n pi by it is 6 we obtain. Here comparing of this term, what is left hand side equation? Cos it is n pi by it is 6 plus I into sin it is n it is pi by 6 left hand side equation. Here it is positive value, both are it is cancelled. Now just transfer this term, it is plus, again transfer we have another term, it is 2 time. Therefore, it is 2 time of it is cos it is n pi by 6 that is equal to 0. N pi by 6 that is equal to 0. Now applying of it is what value of it is cos, it is 0. So come to this cos curve, 0 and it is pi by 2 and it is 3 pi by it is 2, then it is 5 pi by it is 2. And sin cos 0 equal to it is 1, cos 0 equal to 1, cos 90 equal to 0, cos it is 2 pi equal to 0, cos it is pi equal to minus it is 1, cos pi equal to minus 1. Therefore, cos 0 equal to 1, cos 90 equal to 0, cos pi equal to minus it is 1, then cos it is 3 pi by 2 equal to it is 0, and again it is cos it is 5 pi equal to 0, keep going. And where you have it is the product of it is 90 and all the places are cos value equal to 0. Now we can take it is one of the value, it is cos it is pi by it is 2 that is equal to 0. Therefore, replace here it is value of it is 0 is called cos it is 90. Therefore, just transfer this first term, the two right hand side equation, it become cos it is n pi by it is 6 that is equal to 0. Therefore, it is cos n pi by it is 6 that is equal to cos 0 as it is, right as cos it is 90 degree. So therefore, cos it is pi by it is pi n pi by 6 that is equal to cos 90. Both cos are cancelled. N pi by 6 that is equal to pi by it is 2. Find the value of it is n. Remaining term transfer to right hand side equation. Therefore, n that is equal to pi into 6 by it is pi into 2. Both are it is cancelled. Cancel it is 3. Therefore, n equal to 3. The what value of it is n, the complex number it become it is imaginary. If n, the positive value of n equal to 3, then the expression obtained is purely it is imaginary. Okay, dear student, next topic it is modulus of it is complex number. Now let us consider it. First it is z as complex number, x plus it is I, it is y. So we know it is the imagine z bar is equal to x minus iy. Now let us find out as it is modulus. So we can take it as x axis, it is real it is axis, it is called it is imaginary axis, and we take a point it is x distance and it is y distance, and the point it is p defined by it is x comma it is y, and z form equal to x plus it is I it is y. It is a complex, it is plane, organ plane. And from this it is point, just it is draw it is line joining off it is from origin and draw it is perpendicular distance to it is p to x axis defined by it is capital it is m. It meet it is right angle, form it is right angle triangle. So now we want to find out this distance. So we know it is this is o it is m that is equal to x. Then it is p m that is equal to what? Y. P it is m that is equal to y. So if you need to find out the distance of it is OP by applying of it is Pythagoras theorem, in the triangle OP it is m, the angle it is m that is equal to 90 degree. Therefore angle is 90 degree, opposite is called hypotenuse it is p, hypotenuse called it is OP. Therefore OP square is equal to OM square plus it is PM square. OP square is equal to OM square plus it is P it is M square. So what is it? OM equal to x, that is equal to x square plus it is PM that is equal to what? PM that is equal to y. It is called it is y square, and it is this one is called it OP. Therefore it is called OP. Now OP square. Now it is find out of OP is equal to square root of it is x square plus it is y square. If you need it is the distance OP, take it as a positive square root on both sides. Therefore OP equal to square root of it is x square plus y square. Therefore the distance defined by it is square root of it is x square plus it is y square. The modulus of z defined by the length between it is point to the origin. Simply you can say that modulus of z, it is called length. Length is called it is, we can get the length, it is modulus form. Magnitude form it is complex, is defined by it is modulus of z. Therefore modulus of z defined by it is magnitude form, that is called length. OP defined by it is modulus of z. Modulus of z equal to what? Square root of it is x square plus it is y square. Therefore modulus of z that is equal to square root of it is x square plus it is y square. And simple it is understanding, we can take a complex number, it is z equal to x plus it is iy. Modulus of z equal to real term is called x, square root of real term square plus it is coefficient of imaginary term is called y. Real term is called x square, real term square plus coefficient of imaginary term is called y, it is y square. So square root of real term square plus it is imaginary term square is called modulus of it is z. Understand? Now using this it is argument, just we want find out as it is one of it is a note. So we can consider it as z into z bar. Z we know x plus iy, z bar we know x minus it is iy. That is equal to x plus it is iy is called it is z. Z bar that is equal to x minus it is I it is y. So two are it is complex numbers, one is called z, another one is called z bar. Now a plus b, a minus b, applying of a square minus b square form. Here it is a is called x it is whole square, minus it is b is called iy, it is iy, it is whole square. And that is equal to x square, and minus become get a power inside bracket, it is called I square value equal to minus 1, minus plus it is y square. So it is z into z bar that is equal to it is x square plus y square. So already we know what the square root of x square plus y square equal to what? We can simply say it is what? It is modulus of it is z that is equal to square root of it is x square plus it is y square. If you take a square root on both sides, square on both sides, modulus of z square it is equal to square root of it is x square plus it is y square, it is whole square. So now square root will cancel, that is equal to x square plus it is y square. Therefore it is x square plus y square. X square plus y square is equal to what here? Modulus of z square. Therefore x square plus y square equal to modulus of z is whole square, that is equal to z into z bar. Therefore z into z bar, the number, the product of the complex number and the corresponding it is conjugate value is equal to it is modulus of z square. Let us see the properties based on it is modulus of it is a complex number. So first property, modulus of z that is equal to modulus of z bar. Now already we know let it is z that is equal to x plus it is I, it is y. Z bar defined by what? X minus it is y, y. Already we know. A complex number defined by x plus y, y. The corresponding conjugate defined by z bar. That means we want to replace plus as a minus, minus a plus. Here plus I replace minus a conjugate value. Now we want to take a modulus value. Modulus of z that is equal to what? We know already modulus of z equal to square root of real term square, it is x square. Then coefficient of z term it is called y, it is y square. Again find out the modulus of it is z bar. Modulus of z bar that is equal to square root of real term equal to x whole square plus imaginary term equal to what? Minus y. Minus it is y, it is whole square. Real term is called x square plus imaginary term, coefficient of imaginary term is called minus y whole square. That is equal to square root of x square plus it is minus y whole square equal to it is y square. Now look at this, it is modulus of z equal to square root of x square plus y square. Modulus of z bar also square root of x square plus y square. Both are it is same, it is answer. Therefore, modulus of z that is equal to modulus of z bar. This first property it is true. Okay, move to the next properties number just 2 and 3. So real of z less than or equal to modulus of z is imaginary of z less than or equal to modulus of z. Let us take some example. Z equal to 3 plus it is 4i. Here it is what the real of it is z defined by it is 3. Then imaginary of z defined by it is 4. Real of z that is equal to 3 and imaginary of z means it is coefficient of I is called imaginary value, that is 4. So real of z equal to 3, imaginary of z equal to 4 in the given complex number. Just comparing with what? It is a modulus of z. So first find out as modulus of z for the given complex number. Modulus of z that is equal to modulus of 3 plus it is 4, it is I. We know how to find out as it is modulus value. Yes, correct. Taking off it is square root of it is real term is called 3 whole square plus it is imaginary term is called it is 4, it is whole square, that is equal to square root of it is 3 square is called 9 plus 4 square is called it is 16, that is equal to square root of it is 25, that is equal to 5. Therefore, modulus of z that is equal to 5. Understand? Now see comparison of it is modulus of z and the real of z, imaginary of z. Now take it is real of z that is equal to what? It is 3. Real of z that is equal to 3 is less than of it is 5. Less than of it is 5. Modulus of defined by what? It is 5. Therefore, the real of z defined by 3 and modulus of z defined by it is 5. Therefore, instead of the 3 we can write real of z less than, and instead of it is 5 we can write modulus of it z, modulus of z. Correct or wrong? Okay. So we obtain less than. When it is obtained possible to or equal, supposed to be a complex number z that is equal to 0 plus I into 5. If you find out modulus of z that is equal to, it is square root of it is 0 square plus it is 5 square, that is equal to square root of it is 25, that is equal to 5. Therefore, it is modulus of z equal to 5. In that complex number, the real of z is called 0 and is less than it is 5, or imaginary of z less than it is modulus of z, or it is supposed to be the modulus of z is both are it is equal. Here imaginary of z is called what? 5 is equal. Supposed to be, you can take 5 plus it is I into 0. Here real of z is equal to 5, modulus of z also 5. In that case both are equal. Therefore, real of z is less than or equal to modulus of z. And similarly compare it is imaginary value. What is imaginary value? Is called 4. Imaginary of it is imaginary of z is that is equal to 4 is less than it is 5. What is 5? 5 is called imaginary. Therefore, less than modulus of z. So therefore, it's less than satisfied. It's one of the complex number. It satisfies equal to also. Therefore, imaginary of it is z is less than or equal to modulus of z. The next property number it is 4. Modulus of z power n that is equal to modulus of z whole power n. Modulus of z power n that is equal to modulus of z whole power n. Now you can take some example for that. Let us consider z that is equal to 1 plus it is 2 it is I. 1 plus it is 2i. Now take it is what? Consider the left hand side equation. Modulus of z power it is n, that is equal to, we can take n supposed to be, it is take n equal to 2. Therefore, modulus of z power it is 2, that is equal to modulus of z equal to 1 plus it is 2 it is I whole power n value equal to 2, and that is equal to a plus b whole square formula. A square is called 1 square plus it is 2i it is whole square plus 2 into 1 into 2 it is I, it is a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is equal to 1 square is called 1, then it is 2i whole square, 2 2s are 4, I square value equal to minus 1, therefore minus it is 4 plus plus it is 4 it is I remaining. Now that is equal to modulus of minus 3 plus it is 4i, that is equal to, we can take it is modulus mean what, square root of it is real term is called minus 3 it is whole square plus coefficient of imaginary term equal to 4 it is 4 square, that is equal to square root of it is 9 plus it is 16, that is equal to square root of it is 25, that is equal to 5. What is the value of it is modulus of it is z square value, modulus of z square, that is equal to what, it is 5. Understand? And similarly we can consider right hand side equation, modulus of z is whole power it is n. Now what is the n value? N value equal to 2, n that is equal to 2, therefore modulus of z is whole square, that is equal to, what is the modulus of z equal to 1 plus it is 2 it is I whole power it is 2, and that is equal to modulus of it is, finally it is square root, so modulus value it is square root of it is real term is called 1 square plus imaginary term is called 2 it is whole square, again whole power it is 2 is remaining, and that is equal to, within the bracket square root of it is 1 square is called 1 and 2 square is called it is 4 it is whole it is square. Now that is equal to square root of it, add the value it is 5 it is whole it is square. Now square root will cancel, that is equal to 5. Therefore modulus of z power it is modulus z power it is 2, that is equal to it is 5. Here it is modulus of z square equal to 5, here modulus of z whole square equal to 5, both are at the same value. Therefore it is property, it is modulus of z power n, that is equal to modulus of z whole power n, it satisfies this property. Next property, triangle inequality, for it is complex number z1 z2, modulus of sum of the two it is complex number z1 plus z2 less than or equal to modulus of z1 plus modulus of z2, that we want to prove the property number it is 5. So let us consider it. First take left hand side equation, modulus of z1 plus z2 we can take it is square. So we know the property z into z bar, that is equal to modulus of it is z square. Modulus of z square equal to z into z bar. So now we have it is modulus of z square, z is called it is this term. Therefore what is z is called z1 plus z2 is called it is z, right, z into z bar. So it is z1 plus z2 into z1 plus z2 it is whole bar, modulus of z whole square equal to z into z bar. Now again it is applying of it is the conjugate property, z1 plus z2 whole bar equal to z1 bar plus it is z2 bar. Apply the property separating of it is a conjugate, that is equal to z1 plus z2 into z1 bar plus it is z2 bar. Understand? Okay, just it is ordinary multiplication, multiply the term it is z1 into z1 bar, that is equal to z1 into z1 bar, then z1 into z2 bar plus it is z1 into z2 bar, then z2 into z1 bar plus z2 into z1 bar, then z2 into z2 bar plus it is z2 into z2 it is bar. This final ordinary multiplication. Now just it is collecting, first term is called z1 into z1 bar and last term next term is called z2 into z2 bar. By applying of this formula, z into z bar equal to z modulus of z square. Therefore z1 into z1 bar equal to modulus of z1 square, that is equal to modulus of z1 square plus this term also it is modulus of z2 it is square plus these two terms are remaining z1 into z2 bar plus it is z2 into z1 bar as it is. Okay, this is the last line. So now we want to convert these two terms. Let us first consider this term z2 into z1 bar. We can write as it is Z1 bar, Z1 into Z2 bar whole bar. Z2 into Z1 bar, we can rewrite as it is Z1 into Z2 bar whole bar. Just it is bring the bar inside the bracket, Z1 bar into Z2 bar double bar, because already we have one bar, we again it is splitting of one, we can have two bars. That is equal to Z1 bar, Z double bar. What is that? Z double bar equal to what? It is Z. Therefore, Z2 double bar equal to Z2. Z2. Simply we can write as Z2, Z it is 2 into Z1 bar. Therefore, this one we can write as that is equal to modulus of Z1 whole square plus modulus of Z2 it is whole square plus Z1 into Z2 bar plus this one we can write what? Z2 Z1 bar we can write Z1 into Z2 bar whole bar. Therefore, Z1 Z2 bar it is whole bar. Therefore, now here we obtain same term Z1 Z2 bar Z1 Z2 bar. Now look at this, it is term Z into Z plus Z bar, Z plus Z bar, that is equal to, it is 2 time of it is real of Z, that is considered as what? Z equal to X plus it is I, it is Y. Then Z bar equal to X minus it is IY. Just adding of the value Z plus Z bar, that is equal to X plus it is I, it is Y plus X minus it is IY. These two terms are cancelled, that is equal to 2X. And just transfer the 2 here, Z plus Z bar by it is 2, that is equal to X. X is called what? Real of Z, real of Z. And just it is multiply a term, it is that is equal to 2 time of it is real of Z. Therefore, Z plus Z bar that is equal to real of Z. Z plus Z bar that is equal to real of Z. Z plus Z bar that is equal to real of Z. Therefore, plus it is 2 time of real of Z. 2 time of it is real of Z is called Z1 into Z2 bar. Understand? Z1 into Z2 bar plus Z1 into Z2 bar whole bar, it's like it is Z plus Z bar that is equal to 2 time of real of Z. The remaining terms are as it is modulus of Z1 square plus modulus of Z2 square as it is. Okay, see next one. We know the last property real of Z less than or equal to modulus of Z. So, real of Z is less than or equal to modulus of Z. Therefore, this equation will convert it is less than or equal to, because it is plus it is 2 time of, instead of it is real of Z, we can write modulus of Z1 Z2 bar. Real of Z that is less than or equal to modulus of Z. Real of Z less than or equal to modulus of Z. Here Z is called what? Z1 into Z2 bar. Therefore, it is modulus of Z1 into Z2 bar. And remaining terms are as it is modulus of Z1 square plus modulus of Z2 square as it is. Now, again applying another property modulus of Z1 into Z2 that is equal to modulus of Z1 into modulus of Z2, another it is property that we can see the next section. Therefore, the product of the two complex number, the modulus of product of two complex number, and that is the individual product value. Therefore, modulus of Z1 into Z2 equal to modulus of Z1 into modulus of Z2. Applying this property to split this series product, and less than or equal to modulus of Z1 square plus it is modulus of Z2 square plus it is 2 time of it is modulus of Z1 into modulus of Z2 bar. Modulus of Z1 into Z2, modulus of Z1 into Z2, right? Modulus of Z1 into modulus of Z2. So, here it is modulus of Z1 into modulus of Z2 bar, right? Modulus of Z1 into modulus of Z2 bar. Again, it is modulus of Z that is equal to modulus of Z bar. So, modulus of Z equal to modulus of Z bar. So, just it is bar, remove that bar. Therefore, less than or equal to modulus of Z1 square plus modulus of Z2 square plus it is 2 time of modulus of Z1 into modulus of Z2. Modulus of Z2 same as it is modulus of Z2 bar. Therefore, applying of it is A square plus B square plus 2AB less than or equal to modulus of Z1 plus modulus of Z2, it is whole square. Now, what is the first equation we considered? Modulus of Z1 plus Z2 whole square. Modulus of Z1 plus Z2, it is whole square. Take a positive square root at both sides. Take a positive square root at both sides. We will get modulus of Z1 plus Z2 is less than or equal to modulus of Z1 plus modulus of Z2. We can take finally it is positive square root on both sides, and this squares are is cancelled. Finally, we get modulus of z1 plus z2 less than or equal to modulus of z1 plus modulus of z2. My dear student, today in this video, we discussed what are the sums are remaining in the 2.4, the not related to the example model. The question number it is 2, 3, 4 and it is 6. And remaining of it is exercise problems or it is resemble to our example model that you can going to try as it is homework today. My humble request, every day watching this video at the same time, how to watch the video first we want to know first. First discussion about it is one sum, take it is 5 minutes time. Just you watching the 5 minutes video and pause the video, just you have to go through this and write the full sum in your note. After that, go to next it is some discussion is going on, watch the video and pause the video and write the next sum and keep continue it is videos, it is very good one. If watching it is all the 40 minutes, 50 minutes time in the video time, when we going to write, if you are writing in the 40 minutes preparation, it is the observation, you writing all the 5 sum in a note, making some error or it is mistake will come. So, just avoiding that mistaken, just watch one sum video and one sum it is a discussion, after that complete of it is one sum and come to next it is watching of next it is preparation, some preparation and complete that sum and keep going, it is easiest to preparation for your classes. And moreover, the today class is completed regarding of 2.4 and the same today itself we have to complete regarding the exercise remaining sum as it is homework. So, today 2.4 and exercise number it is 2 second sum it is second subdivision and third sum second time subdivision and question number it is 7R it is as a resemble model in example that you try as homework. In addition to that, we introduce a new concept, it is modulus. So, modulus means what? Modulus of z equal to square root of real term square plus imaginary term square. Regarding modulus, we discussed it is few properties and remaining it is 3-4 properties are remaining that will continue in the next class. Thank you one and all.